Teachers, it's Megan from Florentis Learning. In this short video, I'll show you how to quickly find the courses you need, whether you're looking for a specific level, topic, or skill area, so you can spend less time searching and more time teaching. The easiest way to find what you need is from the courses page. When you log in, you'll immediately be taken to the dashboard, which is what you see here. Simply click on courses at the top from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the drop-down menu to find what you need quickly and easily. From the courses menu, you can search by search word like phonics. And there is our phonics fun. Alternatively, you can use the filters. So if I'm searching for supplemental lessons, for example, I will find seasonal lessons for the ESL classroom and our brand new intermediate English grammar course. Alternatively, if I'm searching for test prep, I can find the A2 and the B2 test prep courses. Or if I'm looking for speaking, I'm immediately taken to all of the speaking classes. Alternatively, you can search by level. Simply come down to the tags area and filter. So for example, if I'm looking for pre-A1 level classes, you'll notice that I pull up my level 2, phonics fun, level 1, seasonal lessons, writing for beginners, all of those things, and the Let's Speak beginner all pop up. The Florentis free ESL sample pack will pop up for all of them simply because it contains examples from all of our lessons. If you have not yet checked out Florentis Learning, grab that free sample pack by visiting florentislearning.ca. The link is in the description. Right now, there isn't an easy way to search for individual lessons or units. Everything is organized by course. If you have a complete classroom curriculum membership, you automatically have less access to all of the courses, but you might not be enrolled in some. Therefore, you might not see all of them on your dashboard. If that's the case, just head to the courses page and click Enroll for free, and it will instantly appear on your dashboard. If you're new to Florentis Learning and want to explore ready-to-teach ESL lessons like these, head to florentislearning.ca and download the free sample pack. You'll find lessons for every level, no prep needed. And if you're already part of our teacher community, thank you. Let me know in the comments which course you've been loving lately. I always enjoy hearing how you're using Florentis in your classroom. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick teacher tips and walkthroughs, and check out our brand new Teacher Success Hub on our portal. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching with Florentis Learning.